Director of CAF and PD, K. Bono, has appealed public to refrain from hoarding LPG and petroleum products while clarifying that there is ample stock of these essential items in the state. Speaking to media persons at IOCL Imphal Divisional Office in Sangakfam, Director Bono informed that around 11,000 LPG gas cylinder is made available through various distributors daily. IOCL is also making efforts to avail booking of LPG through SMS or interactive voice response. The director also informed that surprise visits have been conducted by monitoring committee in each districts to check whether LPG cylinders are provided in proper way by supply outlets and distributors. While warning against hoarding of LPG gas cylinders, Director Bono also clarified that LPG gas has been made available to education and health sector despite the restriction imposed by centre owing to geopolitical crisis in Middle East. He, however, assured that there is no shortage of LPG and petroleum products in Manipur.
Government of India ki makhasida koi phajaba management ama tawbudagi koi hoji phawdi chaiteng asi yamna minimum da leiri koi gi state ki oina koi gi domestic LPG asi nongmada 11,000 cylinders asi koi hoji adumak mayamda distributors singi through da hoji issue tawbangami pre crisis period ta leiba aduga hairap manarap tawini koi gi hani gi changdi pithabagi maram sina issue tawbagi mong asida koi IOC na change SMS natraga IVRS sizinaraga booking tawbagi digital mode ta booking tawbasi tawda yaraktaba aduga masagi delivery matamdasu koi genuine customer da tasengna LPG asi piribra haibasi check tawnabagi damakta koi gi OTP da chingba sigi darkar leiba moigi card lowda sinakhiba mobile number do aduna delivery da khitang keno tawba short oibasidi adum chanai LPG gi customers consumers kudimak asida yam ingna adumak government ta thajaba thambiraga reviewer sing ta thajabiga nu state asida matik chana LPG stock leijai adu delivery su ekoi normal oina tawjari state asida LPG pusalakpa adu atoppa petroleum products sing pusalakpa asida su hujik phawdi kari su akaiba leite